Do you remember Ike Kuremadu with the daughter's kidney ordeal in UK? Do you remember a famous actor, Leo Mezier? He has gone. He died of kidney issues. Do you remember Muna Obiekwe, also an actor, died of kidney-related issues? Today, I want to show you 3 foods you must stop eating to avoid joining them. 3 foods you must stop eating to avoid joining them. You have to be careful. You have to be careful. This food I mentioned now will shock many of you. It's unbelievable. Number 1, banana. Banana contains high potassium. And understand this. Potassium helps to reduce high blood pressure. But the problem is when you take it in excess. If you take banana in excess, this potassium go a long way to destroy the kidney. If you know you love taking banana, don't take it in excess. Do not take it in excess. Somebody will go to the market and buy banana. Ofaju banana, bruyanata. The person will be embezzling it and be leaking it and be leaking it and be leaking it. Over intake of potassium is not good for your health. Beware, beware, beware. Bananas are global popular fruit due to their delicious flavor, high water content, and high nutrient density. On the other hand, eating too much bananas at once can damage your kidneys. The reason for this is that the abundance of potassium in them is high. Banana contains potassium, which is toxic to your kidney in high doses. It is better to use restraint. Why consuming it? Don't gorge yourself. Don't overeat bananas. We know it's good for the health. It's good because of the potassium content that helps in reducing high blood pressure. But over intake of banana can lead you to serious kidney complications. Beware, beware, beware. Number 2, hue oranges. Do you know what is hue oranges? Look at the picture. All these oranges you see that are very, very, very somehow reddish, very, very reddish, or somehow very, very yellowish. They are called hue oranges. See, the citrus family of hue oranges produces the fruit acid known as citric acid. Even the normal orange also produces it. See, in large doses, citric acid can damage the kidneys. Citric acid. See, remember that potassium is also present in orange. And if you overtake this orange so much, you overtake it, it goes a long way to damage the kidney. Please, do not overtake oranges, especially hue oranges. Take small quantity. Take small quantity. Take small quantity. Not much. Highest 6 or 7. More than much. Do you know that somebody can sit down now and take 50 oranges? 50. Ay, Jesus Christ. Some people can eat though. Some people can eat. Lastly, this one will shock many of you. Lastly, potatoes. Potatoes. Oh God. Potatoes. See, potato, despite being a vegetable, should be eaten in moderation due to high levels of the same mineral called potassium. See, you should be fine if you limit your consumption to once or twice in a week. If you're eating potato once or twice in a week, my dear, you are very, very fine and okay. You don't have any issue. Do you understand? But eating potato every day is not. See, let me tell you. Normally they say too much of everything is not good. Too much of everything. Somebody was telling me that too much of pear, too much of licking pear causes malaria, and that is wrong. All of us know what causes malaria. All of us know about what female mosquito, female anopheles mosquito, and all that. You understand? But he was telling me that whenever he licks pear, after some time he will start having malaria and all that. But that is wrong. But the fact is, too much of everything is not good. It's bad. So avoid this. Avoid this. Banana is good, contains potassium. Oranges contains potassium, very good. Potato contains potassium, very good, which can have effect on lowering blood pressure. But overtaking it, if you're taking it too much, it has an adverse effect on the kidney. The kidney hates too much potassium, too much sodium, and some other mineral elements. If you overtake it, you may put yourself in serious danger. That's all I have for you. Take care. I love you all. Follow this page now. Follow this page on Facebook. Follow me on TikTok. And follow us on YouTube. Prof. Habakkuk Fans. I love you all. If you want to reach me on WhatsApp and so on and so forth, my phone number is there. Thank you very much and God bless you. I love you. Peace out.